Hello and welcome to Lord Adventure. My name's Dennis Jackson and I'm the Chief Executive Officer.
And I'm Trish Houston, the Chief Operating Officer.
Lord Adventure was established in 1889 and is an investment trust listed on the London Stock Exchange that owns and operates a professional services business.
And throughout those 136 years, our mission has stayed the same: to deliver peace of mind as a foundation to the success of our shareholders, clients and wider communities.
This certainly doesn't stop in December. In fact, December is often our busiest month as we look to complete transactions and provide governance services into the year-end rush.
Each day in December, we'll be opening our doors to show you behind the scenes at Lord Eb so that you can see the breadth and depth of our experience.
After you.